Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in Creo Parametric. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to use sweep edges. Where it will be used is when we have some cross section, it should be swept along the path. Here you can see I have put an example. This one is the cross section, this one is the path. You want to sweep along this path. Here we cannot use the extrude option. For that we have to use the sweep. Now we'll learn how to use this sweep option. Just go to the Creo Parametric, New, Part, Solid, untick this Use Default Template, save OK. Now our units are in mm, so it's mm part solid absolute, save OK. Now see, any section if you draw, go to the sketch, any plane, sketch view, circular section I'm drawing, save OK. You can extrude only the perpendicular to the cross section. Just go to the extrude. It will do extrude in variable, symmetric or reference only the perpendicular direction. If you want to extrude a bent pipe like that, we cannot do using this extrude option. We can do with how much length you want to extrude, you can extrude it in both the direction also. Just simply we can state normal to the direction we can extrude. For this kind of features, we have to use the sweep. Now just close it. Yes. Delete this sketch. Now, for example, you have a path. Sketch. Any plane I'm just taking. Sketch view. Take a line. And take a 3-point arc. Now take one more line and take an arc again. For example, you consider we have a path like this. We just want to sweep extrusion. Sweep a particular cross section along this path. For that, first draw the sketch. If you want to use a sweep option, first draw the path. Then there is an option called sweep. Sweep and helical sweep. In this tutorial, we are going to learn sweep. For that, first use the sketch tool to draw the path. Then use the sweep. Select this sketch. Automatically it will take starting point from here or there. If you want to change the starting point, just click it here. The starting point will be changed from where you want to start your sweeping. So here the dimensions also modified. By clicking this arrow mark, you can change the starting point. Now I just want to start from here, means you just keep this arrow mark here. Here there is an option called sketch. Just click the sketch. Automatically it will take the sketch. Go to the sketch view. See, normal to the point it will keep and it will show. Now whatever the cross section you want to draw, just draw it here. Just save OK. Now see, automatically the particular cross section is swept along this path. If you have to enlarge it, you can enlarge it. You want to make this as instead of solid, you want to surface. Just click this one, you will get the surface. See? If you want to get solid, just put the solid. You want to make a variable section. This one is a constant section. You want to make a thickness. Here you can see, you can specify the thickness. Some 30 or 10. Like that we can specify the thickness. Now we don't want the thickness, means just click it here, the thickness will go, the solid, just save it. Like that we can do the sweep options. Just hide the plane, you will get easily. So these kind of sections we can make by using a sweep tools. I hope you have learned how to use this sweep tools. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.